Ziggy, 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 zag. Ziggy, 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 zag, zag, zag. Giggles with Ziggy Zag.
Hi, Ziggy. Hi, Zag. Today is a good day to crack some jokes. What's the ghost's favorite food? Cake? No, blueberries. Why was the cow sad? Because he had no kid? No, cause she couldn't go to the movie. Woo! How do you make 7 an even number? Let me think. I don't know. You take the S off. Get it? Yes, 7 minus the S makes even. That's so cool. What do you call fake spaghetti? Let me think. I don't know. An impasta. I love pasta. You're not an impasta. Okay, I got one for you. What did the snowman say to the other? Do you smell carrots too? Because snowman has carrots as a nose. I have one for you. Where do the bees use the bathroom? On cars? You know, the BP station. Oh, that's funny. Bye. 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 Bye.
ToffeeTV.com. For complete animated videos of songs and stories, subscribe to ToffeeTV.com today.